Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another episode. This is Luis el Apóstol Feliz coming at you with a special video. This is kind of a pen slash race car. Now, this is not actually based on any one prototype, but it takes inspirations from a 1930s, 1940s vehicle. And so and so this this was given to me by my grandpappy, my step grandpappy. So if you're watching, thank you. So I'm gonna go very brief on this one, since this one does not have any details, but it does have some cool functionality. I know it's weird to do a little video on a Sabbath. I know it's weird to show y'all special this awesome car on a Sabbath, but this was thanks to my step grandpappy for giving me this. Um, Now, I know it's not based on any prototype. I know this is not based on any one prototype. Um, but this is cool. So the way you, it's kind of like a clicker pen. It serves both functions. So y'all can see the ink comes out, the pen portion, and it goes, and then it retracts. And super nice. Super nice. You can see there is no writing, there is no chassis per se, but there is a little bit of tape residue. There is a little bit of residue, but man, thank you again. Thank you to my step grandpappy. Thank you to my step grandpappy for this super awesome race car pen slash pen. I know it's weird to show y'all different, different different things on YouTube, but you know, it's the reality. It's the reality, YouTube. You can see right here, it does have some a little fender vent right there. But you can see right here, small tires in the front, fatter, skinny tires up front, fatter tires in the back. But man, this is a beauty. And so I'm going to show you all how it functions. Son of a fulano. So I'm going to show you all how it functions. So woohoo! Where did it go? Where the fulano did it go? Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, excuse me, there's a chair. But man, again, thank you to my step grandpappy for this awesome little gift. Just a small random act of kindness. And thank you for almost 700 subscribers, YouTube. Y'all can see my UPS and my USPS trucks. You know, thank you guys for 800 videos. You know, I know y'all. I hope I can get to 1,000 videos on my YouTube. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all have a happy Sabbath. And until next time, peace.